Then what is plural? Yes, singular refers to one person, one animal, one thing or one place. Whereas plural refers to many places, many persons, many animals or many things. We know how to change singular to plural, right? What we will do to change singular into plural? Yes, we will add es after the singular noun to make it into plural. But in this video, I am going to tell you that where to add es, where to add ies and where to add ves. Let's learn one by one. There are various rules to change singular into plural. But today we are going to learn only the 4 rules to change singular noun into plural. Let's learn one by one. Rule number 1. If a noun ends with s or ss or z, x, sh, ch or o. If a noun ends with any of this letter, then we need to add es to the nouns. Let's see some example. Can you give me some example that can you give me any noun which ends with s? Yes, bus. Any noun with which ends with double s? Okay, class. Any noun which ends with z? Fuzz. Ends with x will be box. Sh I can write brush. For ch I can write church. For o I can write potato. These are the few examples. These are the few nouns which end with these letters. Okay. Now let's see how these nouns become plural. So as per the rule, if a noun ends with any one of this letter, we need to add es directly without making any changes. Like for bus, the plural form of bus will be buses because it ends with s, so I am going to add es. For all these nouns applicable to the rule, so I am going to add directly es to the noun. Class become classes, fuzz become fuzzes, box become boxes, brush become brushes, church become churches, and potato become potatoes. Now, do you understand when we need to add es to the nouns? Yes, if a noun ends with any one of this letter, then only when we are trying to make it into plural, then you are going to add es. Understand? Let's learn second rule. That is, if a noun ends with f or fe. If you find any noun which ends with f or fe, you are going to remove f or fe from the word. Instead of f or fe, you are going to add ves after the noun. I am going to give you some example. Wolf. Wolf ends with f. As per the rules, if a noun ends with f, I am going to remove f from the word and I am going to add ves after the noun to make it into plural. So what is the plural form for wolf now? wol will come same, but instead of f I am going to write ves. So plural form for wolf will be wolves. Next example, knife. Here knife ends with fe. So when making into plural, I am going to remove this fe from the noun and I am going to add ves. That is k and I will come same, and fe instead of fe I am going to write ves. So remember that if a noun ends with f or fe, then you are going to remove f or fe from the noun and you will add ves after the nouns. Understand? Okay, let's see next. That is, if a noun ends with vowel plus y. What is vowel? These 5 letters, that is a, e, I, o, u are the vowel. If a noun ends with any one of this vowel plus y, then we are not going to make any changes in the plural form. Directly we are going to add yes. We'll see example for your understanding. That is, boy is a noun which ends with a vowel, that is o is a vowel. It ends with vowel plus y. So here I am not going to remove y. Directly I am going to add yes after the noun, that is boys. Any other like key, K-E-Y, key, it will become K-E-Y, yes, keys. This is the plural form for key. Clear? So if a noun end with vowels, any vowel plus y, there you are not going to remove y from the noun to in changing of plural. There you are going to directly add yes after the words. Clear? Okay. Let's see last rule, that is if a noun end with consonant plus y. Here we have learned that if a noun end with vowel plus y, then we are going to add yes. But here, except vowels, except this 5 letters, if a noun end with a consonant, then we are going to remove the y from the word, and instead of y, we are going to add ies. Let's see some examples. That is baby. Here, before y will be a consonant. So if a noun end with consonant and plus y, there only I am going to remove this y. B will come as it is. Instead of y, I am going to add ies. So baby will become babies. When we are going to remove the y, yes. If y has a consonant next to it at the end of the letter, then only we are going to remove the y from the word and we are going to add ies for it. Suppose if a noun ends with vowel plus y, means that we are not going to remove y, we are going to directly add yes after the noun. Understand? Let's see more example for this rule. I can write factory. It ends with one consonant, right? R is a consonant and it ends with y. So here I am going to remove the y in the plural form. That is fact. Ter will come and instead of y, I need to add ies. Understand? Clear with this? Okay, let's recall everything once again. So if a noun ends with any one of these letters, what those letters? S, SS, Z, X, SH, CHO. If a noun ends with any one of this letter, we are going to add es to make it into plural form. Okay. So suppose if a noun ends with f or fe, means in plural we need to remove this f or fe from the singular noun and we are going to add ves after the nouns. Okay. Suppose if a noun ends with vowel plus y, there we are not going to make any changes. We are directly we are going to add es to the nouns directly. Understand? If a noun ends with vowel plus y, there is no changes. We can add yes directly to the nouns. Okay? And suppose if a noun ends with consonant plus y, then only we are going to remove the y from the word and we are going to add ies after that. Clear with this? Yes. I hope you are clear with this formation of singular into plural. I'll see you in next video. Take care. Thank you.